My artwork is about technology. Technology can be used to build things. Friends can provide companionship, entertainment, and interaction, which led us to construct a digital e-friend robot.
Build an e-friend because we want to accompany someone, to make them happy.
Plot the concept of an e-friend robot who has to be caring.
We started by building the foundation of the project and discussing about the project.
Some of the questions we asked included: how do we use technology in our daily lives and whether technology is good or bad?
What is technology?
First, we would brainstorm on what kind of e-friend robot we would create.
We started by gathering recycled materials and writing, designing the technology that we want.
We would draw our perfect robots on paper. We would build different prototypes of practices, and finally, we would build them from recycled materials.
I was interested in cooking, so I made a microwave robot.
I gathered recycled materials and stuck them together. Like the toilet rolls would be legs and soda cans would be the body. And I made different tails with pipe cleaners.
A drawing that I think will work, but it didn't work because the head was too curvy, so I had no choice to build a rectangular head.
It was challenging to put the recycled pieces of the artwork together. The most challenging part was cleaning up the art room of the class.
The most difficult part is to make it very specific. On this side, the hand must be 5 centimeters, and this side, the hand must be 5 centimeters. My favorite part about the project was to be able to create a robot of nearly my size of my hand.
My favorite part of the project is drawing the robot. Because I like drawing.
Teamwork. Teamwork is a very important role in this project because you must work well with your peers so that everybody can share the materials and the pieces together.
Technology is good and bad because the kind of technology for gaming, it can entertain you, but you can be looking at the screen for the whole day, which isn't good for your eyes.